Welcome to
Emily
and Hector's
Retro Reviews.
One of my favorite characters growing up was the Pink Panther. Today, we will be unboxing and reviewing
The 1981 Pink Panther Wind Up toy by Bandai America.
the character alone. Sold millions and millions. He was as popular as Hello Kitty. I would buy pencils just because it had Pink Panther on it. We've reviewed other wind-up toys, such as this 1989 Toy Biz Flash. Hopefully this Pink Panther toy works a lot better. Hopefully. Ages 3 and up, the Pink Panther, wind 'em up, they're hot on the trail. Bandai. Precision motor, so it's got a real nice motor, or it should have a real nice motor inside, and it says Bandai America. Now the back has all these other figures that you can collect. It's from 1981, so this is as old as I am, and that's why I'm excited to open it. Unfortunately, we couldn't find the inspector, but we got the Pink Panther. But this guy looks so weird that I wish we could have gotten this guy. Like, look at his face. He looks like my tío Pepe. What do you think, Emmy?
I like the packaging. I like that it's simple, but it still has that pop of pink, so you know it's Pink Panther.
Alright, so now let's get to the unboxing.
Whoa. Right there, that's good. Wow.
And it's unpunched too.
The packaging was unpunched. Look at that.
His feet are a lot pinker than his face. Oh, and there's his tail.
And that's awful paint application right here.
Oh, we forgot to smell him. It smells like, baby powder. Do I wind it up?
Yeah, wind it up. Let's watch him go. Woo! Woo! There you go. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Whoa! Oh yeah! Oh my gosh, it's so much fun in there. Yeah! What? Whoa! Yeah! Look at him go! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That precision motor by Bandai! Whoa! Whoa!
But it is 38 years old.
Whoa! So?
This is a toy.
Just because something's 38 years old doesn't mean it won't work. Whoa! Come on! Yeah!
Oh.
Now he's moving. Come on! Alright. Woo! Yay! Look at him go! Woo! Oh. There he goes, there he goes. Whoa! Whoa, so much fun. Alright, now that we've hidden the ramp so he doesn't fall over. goes, there he goes. Oh, come on. Let's compare them with a toy that came out a year later. In 1982, we had E.T. And it seems like toys that were made in this year, in 1981 and 1982, they weren't really any good. Prove me wrong. Somebody please name a figure that was made in 1981 that was really good. Hey, he's moving. He's moving. And we are too. We are going to move on. And we are going to end this review because this was a bust. It's nice to open a toy that's... Oh, now you work. It's nice to open a toy that's as old as I am for nostalgic purposes, just to look back. Help him out with the magic finger and stuff.
Magic finger and stuff.
Okay, thanks for joining us. From
Emily
and Hector.
Bye.
Be unboxing and reviewing the...
19...
Today we will be unboxing and reviewing
The 1981 Pink Panther Wind Up toy.